Okay, this is a monoline chainsaw. 1959. There's the carburetor. Here is the crank end. All them smart mouth son bitches on the internet know it all, but you ask them about this, they don't know a damn thing. They won't even answer you. Inside, outside. Old-timey screws. They say this is a Tecumseh carburetor. Rumor has it some of them are boat engines. A 1959 monoline. Nobody in the world could tell me what to do about them reed valves in the bottom. Yes, in the bottom. I'm going to link a couple of videos together. One of them I'm kind of mad because people try to act like they know everything about saws. Well, they really don't. They think they do. They know a good bit, yes, but not everything. Ask a man what a duckbill is. Just about every saw out there still got one. But used to, you had to replace them. This one does not have a duckbill. But it does have reed valves. Yes, it wouldn't run until the reed valves were cleaned. Put it back on. A few pulls later, it starts every time now.